and welcome everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Now in this video we are going to learn about array command. Now array simply means repetition or copying a particular object in a specific manner. Okay. So basically we will be covering this array command which is in modify toolbar, and we are going to cover three types of arrays that are there. So first one is rectangular array that you can see on your screen right now. First option is rectangular array. Second one is path array, and third one is polar array. Now, in order to explain these commands, I'm going to draw any random drawing. So suppose that I'm taking a circle. So this is a circle that I have inserted, and I want that this particular circle, I should get a matrix of all of these objects in a specific pattern. Okay, so for a matrix type formation, you are going to select a rectangular array. So click on rectangular array from here, or you can type rectangular array in array RECT in command bar as well. So click on rectangular array, then your command bar will ask you to select objects. So this is the object of which we want to create an array. Press enter, and you will see that a matrix is created automatically. Now, as soon as you create an array, you will see that a new tab is being created here, which is array creation. Now, not a lot of commands are there in which you will see a new tab. So basically, this is a feature of array, then mtext and hash. Okay. Now, you can edit this array by changing the number of columns. Suppose that I make it 6. So you will see that there are 6 columns now. You can increase or decrease this number of rows as well. Now by controlling this array tab, or another option is just keep your cursor on this, click on it and move it left to reduce the number of columns, then down to reduce the number of rows, and these distances and all, every other thing, it will be changed automatically. Okay. Now this number of columns, and then next thing is distance between them. So if you reduce this distance, instead of 297, suppose that I'm clicking on 100, so you will see that these objects, they are now closer. Okay. And this total distance also you can increase or decrease basically, and it will change your between distance automatically. Okay. Same is the case with number of rows as well. Okay. You can decrease or increase this distance, and you will see the same type of formation. Okay. So that's rectangular array. Now click on close array. After that, if you click on array anywhere, you will see that complete set of drawing will be selected at once. So basically it is a new entity now. Okay. Now if you want all of these circles to be separated, you will have to use a command which is explode. So click on explode, click on the array objects, and then press enter, and now you can delete them one by one. So this is something that you need to remember. If you are creating an array, this will act like a single object until or unless you are obviously using explode command on this. Okay, so that's rectangular array. Now next one, I'm just undoing it. Next one is polar array. Now polar array is a very interesting array if you want to create any geometrical pattern. So select the object. Polar means angle, so that means we will have to provide a center as well. Then specify a center about which you want to rotate it, and you will see that these number of items, 6 items is being created around the center that we have specified, and you will see the same type of arrangement as well. You can increase or decrease this angle till which we are filling this particular area. Now suppose that if you increase these number of items in polar array, you will see very nice patterns that are being formed here. Okay. So polar array is used in creating geometrical patterns, as well as if you want to repeat a particular object around a specific center, that's this polar array. Okay. And in fact, if you see the logo of my channel, you will find that there are certain circles that are created or basically repeated in a specific manner. So that is something that I have created using array command itself. Now, the next thing is fill. If you change this filling angle, you can basically edit this array. So I have changed it from 360 to 180. So basically this is the angle till which you are filling the area. Okay. And now just increase the number further and you will see that it will become more and more, I would say, interesting pattern. Okay, so that's polar array. And in fact, this is the command that can beautify any random drawing. Let me give you one example. So if I select polyline and I create a very random set of lines along with one or two arcs. Now, these drawings, they have no meaning. I'm just creating a very random drawing here. Cancel. Now, just create a polar array of this particular object about a specific center, and the drawing will look a lot better. Increase the number further and you will see a new type of pattern being formulated. Okay, so array is a very interesting command. In fact, this is the first command when that I discuss with my students when we start the class in class of AutoCAD. Okay, so polar array is a very useful command, and we can basically create any type of geometrical pattern using this particular command. Now, next type of array that is remaining till now is path array. Now, path array basically needs a curve to formulate the exact drawing that we want. Okay. Now, suppose that I create a curve using SP lines. Now, I'm just drawing a random curve. And suppose that you want to repeat this particular object around this path. So, I'm just moving this path to its center. Okay. And then I'm going to repeat this object around this path. So, in that case, we are going to use path array. So, click on path array, then select the object, and after that you will have to select the path curve, and you will see that the same object is being repeated along this path in the same manner in which the other type of arrays were being created. Now, if you will reduce this distance, you can basically increase the density of these objects being placed. Okay, and this is the total distance, and number of items are 76. Okay, now if you will further decrease this distance, you will see a new type of pattern or pipe-like structure will appear. Okay, and you can edit the array in the same way in which we have edited the other type of arrays. So I hope you guys have learned something new, and out of these three array types, polar array is the array that I like the most. So that's all for this video. Thank you very much and have a nice day.